Today we're going to make a dodecahedron all about fractions. And the dodecahedron is a 12-sided shape. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and complete the 12 circles that you have in your packet. For some you have to break the shapes up, for some you have to shade the shapes. But when you are finished, you can color it. If you don't want to, that's fine. And then you're going to cut out all of the circles, and you're just going to cut out the circles. So all I did when I colored mine, I just cut out the circles. So once you have cut out all 12 circles, you're going to have to fold them in order to get the pieces to fit together. So what I do when I fold my pieces is start on one side of the pentagon, and I'm going to fold along this solid line right here. I'm going to fold it back. I'll make sure to crease it really well. I'm going to open it back up and fold it again and crease it really well. And I'm going to do that on all 12 of my circles on all 5 sides. So now that I have all of my circles folded, I'm going to start gluing them together. So when I glue them together, I'm going to start with 2 and glue those together. And so eventually I'm going to have my shape is going to start looking like this once I get my pieces glued together. And you can see like where I glued them together here, I glued them here. So now I have on the bottom, I have 2 spots for my last 2 circles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with one circle, and I'm going to put glue on all 6 edges. So I just put down a sheet of paper, and I'm just going to put glue on all 6 parts that I folded backwards. I'm not worried about getting glue everywhere. So now when I take my shape, I'm going to carefully fit my piece in, and then I'm just simply going to press the edges with the other circles. Press those all together, and then my last circle, again I'm going to glue all 6 pieces. I'm going to put glue on all 6 pieces of my circle so that I can complete my dodecahedron. Pick this up, and you can tell that I have space for one last circle. So I'm going to come in here carefully and do the same thing, glue my edges together. If you don't have glue, you can certainly do this with tape. If you're a little unsure about putting it together, when it's your week to come back to school, just bring it with you and we'll get it put together. That's fine. So now my shape is finished. So I have my 12-sided dodecahedron all about fractions. So, and now I'm upside down. Awesome. So I hope you have enjoyed doing this, and like I said, bring it to school when you're finished. If you want help putting it together, I don't mind helping you put it together, and then we'll hang them up and we'll have a lot of dodecahedrons all about fractions. See you later.